Hi, let me show you how to do disk partition in Windows 10 and delete volume and add unallocated space back to the C drive. So it's a brand new system with a 512 GB SSD. So to do that, let's go to the disk management by just typing disk and select create and format hard disk partitions, or in run command you can type disk mgmt.msc and select OK. It will open the disk management, and as you can see it has, out of 512 GB we have 475.69 GB available, and you have to select shrink volume to split this partition. So it is asking how much amount it is required to shrink in MB. So you can actually calculate 1024 MB is 1 GB. So if you want 100 GB, just calculate 1024 into 100 and just put in the value there. It's 102400. Yeah, and then select shrink. Yes, now we have 100 GB as unallocated. So now we have to assign this unallocated space to a simple volume. So what we have to do is right click and select new simple volume. Next, and how much volume we require out of these unallocated, we want everything. So assign the following label, let's D, and the volume label may be anything you like, and just keeping as academy. And next, finish. Okay, now we have the partition academy, and you could see the pop-up there, and if you type Windows E, it will take you here, and you can see the partition created as academy. Now let's try to create another volume. Go shrink volume. Let's create another 100 GB of partition, 102400. Okay, new simple volume. Next, and we want all of the space of unallocated partition. Next, assign the following, and the label may be media. Next, finish. Okay, now we have partitioned, and now I'm going to show you how to delete a partition and attach that unallocated space to the Windows C drive. So let's delete the academy. Just delete volume. Yes, it's unallocated now, but you cannot simply extend the Windows C drive to this unallocated space because it's not near to the C drive. So what we have to do is first extend the media E drive. Next, and it is asking for 100 GB to extend. That is the unallocated space nearby to the E drive. So just click next, finish. So now it turned into 200 GB, and this 200 GB again I am going to delete it. Shrink means to extend, so we have to delete the volume. It's 200 GB unallocated. Now go to C drive and see the extend volume is available now. So click next. Next. Finish. Now we have all the 475.69 GB in C drive, and you can partition to any available space that you require. Don't look for any software in the market to do this. In Windows 10 itself we have this option. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.